The Palisade is one of the best budget 3-row SUVs currently on sale. And it gets better because Hyundai will add a hybrid model to the range. Ever since its debut back in 2018, the Hyundai Palisade has enjoyed decent commercial success, especially in the US, where it almost tripled in sales from 2019 to 2022. The imposing mid-size SUV even went on to replace the Sante Fe as the flagship model of the brand. The trust that was put in the Palisade from manufacturers and customers alike is of course due to no faulty judgment. The Hyundai Palisade has forged itself a reputation for being reliable, spacious, and all-around practical. The first model came filled with quirky, innovative features that have now become customary with Hyundai vehicles, such as the Ioniq 5. And while the Palisade has yet to properly reach the next level in the market, things could soon come to a change with the incoming powertrain change. Hyundai has revealed that the upcoming 2025 Palisade will include 2 hybrid options. When Hyundai's Vice President of Product Planning and Mobility Strategy, Olabisi Boyle, was asked if he would consider such an initiative in 2022, he simply answered, "If we find that consumers want it, we will make it." It now seems like the customers have finally been heard, as the electrified version is set to hit up dealerships in the summer of 2025. Don't expect a lot of exterior and interior changes. As of now, we have yet to get any official photos of the Palisade hybrid from Hyundai. The recent spy shots reveal an identical design to the current model. The imposing cascading grille is present at the rendezvous, along with the squinty LED headlights and chrome accents. A few facelifts are awaited, however, as the 2025 Hyundai Palisade is expected to come with a more dominant appearance, starting with a larger wheelbase. The decision to keep the exterior design might come with a bit of controversy, as many find it not to be distinct enough from other competitors. The wide, luxuriant interior seems to have been conserved as well. The center console maximizes accessibility with a plethora of buttons that put basic functions within immediate reach. The 12.3 touchscreen display and 10.25-inch instrument cluster seem to be back as well. We can also expect the 8-speaker Infinity audio system and 12-speaker Harman sound system to be featured. The 2023 Hyundai Palisade offers ample space, with 31.4 inches of legroom and 45.8 cubic feet of cargo space with the second and third rows folded down. It'll be interesting to see if the next generation Palisade decides to take things to the next level or stick to the current dimensions. The hybrid powertrain will include 2 versions. According to the ET News report, the 2025 Hyundai Palisade will include 2 hybrid options, along with a good old gasoline engine. One of the 2 electric powertrains is expected to run on a 2.5-liter gas engine. For reference, the 2023 Hyundai Palisade has a 3.8-liter V6 that churns out 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque through the mediation of an 8-speed automatic transmission for a 0 to 60 mph time of 6.4 seconds, putting it ahead of the 2023 Kia Sportage. The hybrid powertrain might surpass the current acceleration time. The next Palisade can also be expected to come with front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive layouts and could possibly exceed the 5,000 pound capacity. In terms of driving, the 2025 hybrid model should follow in the footsteps of its predecessors with smooth handling and decent stability. Although the range has yet to be determined, the electrified powertrain should improve the low fuel economy issues of 22 mg, which puts it behind the Volvo X44 and the Audi Esquire. The safety features included in the advanced Hyundai Driving Assist I will also likely be found along with the heated third-row seats. When it comes to reliability, the 2025 Palisade should honor its lineage with decent robustness, as is customary with cars made by Hyundai. The Palisade Hybrid could start at around $40,000. The upcoming Hyundai Palisade and Hyundai Palisade Hybrid are expected to make their debut in their homeland of South Korea in the first quarter of 2025. Prototype development and testing are set to commence after June 2024, while series production is scheduled for 2025. American customers can expect the next generation Palisade to hit the dealerships after the second half of 2025. These estimates, however, have yet to be confirmed by Hyundai. As of now, we have to make do with the info provided by E! News. The 2025 Palisade Hybrid shouldn't have too much trouble selling in the United States, judging by the previous sales numbers. As previously mentioned, The Hyundai Palisade Hybrid will likely come with a starting price of $40,000, thus putting it in direct competition with the Lexus NX, which can be considered the creme de la creme in its category. Other rivals will also include the $43,000 Toyota Highlander and the 2023 Toyota RAV4 Prime. It'll be interesting to see how Hyundai equips its upcoming Palisade Hybrid to deal with the competitive challenges that face it. Currently, the complaints around following points: noisy rides, malfunctioning seats, occasional engine failures, malfunctioning brakes, hazy window glass issues. These issues are of course anecdotal and not widely spread. It will be interesting to see if Hyundai takes them into consideration in the making of their upcoming version. After all, the Korean company is known for putting reliability at the forefront of its priorities. While the sales haven't met the expectation for the Palisade so far, the vehicle still enjoys a solid reputation among consumers. The powertrain renovation could help boost the popularity of the Palisade, especially considering how hybrid vehicles offer the best of both worlds between EVs and ICEs.